Welcome dear students. I am Mrs. Ritu Soni, your computer teacher. Children, in the previous video, we have already learned about editing in MS Word. How to insert the text, how to select the text, how to copy, paste and move the text and so on. Children, in this video, we will learn about formatting in MS Word. MS Word में हम किस तरह से formatting कर सकते हैं. So let's learn. For this, first we have to open MS Word. You all are know that children how to open MS Word. Place the mouse pointer on the start button. Click, then select all programs, then accessories, then select Microsoft Office. There is Microsoft Office programs. Here we have to select Microsoft Office Word 2007. See, this is a MS Word window. Children, we have learned about the different toolbars about MS Word. Now we will learn how to do the formatting in MS Word. First, we have to type some text for doing a formatting. Changing the look of the text is known as formatting. Formatting makes your documents looks more professional and allows you to emphasize the important parts of your document. In this chapter, we will discuss various formatting features. Formatting text. The Home tab provides a single-click access to various formatting features. This section discusses some of the main features available on the Home tab for the formatting text. टेक्स्ट को फॉर्मेट करने के लिए जो टैब प्रोवाइड किया गया है, दिस इज कॉल्ड होम टैब. फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न हाउ टू चेंजिंग द फॉन्ट स्टाइल. फॉर चेंजिंग द फॉन्ट स्टाइल, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टाइप सम टेक्स्ट. सो लेट्स टाइप. See children, this is the text. Now we will change the font style. Font style refers to attributes such as bold. See, this is bold, italic and underline. To make the text bold, italic or underline, see the steps. First, we have to select the text. How to select the text? Just click and drag the mouse pointer. If you want to make the text bold, so just click on the bold button, or shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B. You can see here Ctrl plus B. Just click once, you can see text is bold. Next one is italic. First we have to select the text, then select italic, or shortcut key for italic text is Ctrl plus I. Click on that, you can see the changes. Next, select the text. If you want to underline the text, select underline. Shortcut key for underline is Ctrl plus U. Click this one arrow children. There is a different options for underline. See, you can see here different underlines. Select any one which you want. Single line, double line, dotted line, which you want, you can select. Then click outside. Okay. You can change the font type also. To change the font type, same step we have to follow. First, you have to select the text, click on the Home tab and click the down arrow next to the font drop down box. See children, this is a font drop down box. You can see this one list, this one arrow, you can see this one arrow. Click on that. There is a different option to change the font. See, as we select the option, you can see the changes. Select anyone which you want, then click outside. The font of the text changes. Okay children, do the practice again and again in your home. Okay children, is changing the font size. You can see this one size. If we want to give the heading, if we want to type the heading, so heading should be a little bit bold or letters should be a little bit small, so we can change the font size also. For changing the font size, same step. First you have to select the text which you want to change. First you have to select the text, then click the down arrow next to the font size drop down list box in the font group. Click on that. Select the font size which you want. There are different font size. Click. You can see the size of the text changes. Okay. Is text alignment. Alignment of text is the way in which it is placed between the margins of a page. Text alignment is a way कि हमारा टेक्स्ट मार्जिन्स के बीच में कैसे सेट होगा. लेफ्ट साइड से लिखना स्टार्ट होगा या राइट साइड से लिखना स्टार्ट होगा, सेंटर से लिखना स्टार्ट होगा, as you want. Text can be aligned to the left side in the center or the right side of a page. The text alignment options are available in the paragraph group of the home tab. You can see here home tab is there. In home tab there is one option, paragraph. In paragraph group there is 4 options. You can see this one is a align text left, and shortcut key for align text left is Ctrl+I. Align left, it aligns the text to the left margin. By default the text is left aligned. Next one is center, and shortcut key for center alignment is Ctrl+E. It aligns the text at the center of the left and right margins. Next one is align right. Shortcut key is Ctrl+R. It aligns the text to the right margin. Next one is justify, and shortcut key for justify alignment is Ctrl+J. It puts the text equally between the left and right margin. See how to apply the alignment in your text. See, these are 4 paragraphs. First, we have to select the paragraph for give the alignment and select the alignment which we want. First, we are select this one, align text left. Align text left means हमारे टेक्स्ट लेफ्ट साइड से लिखना स्टार्ट होगा और राइट साइड तक एंड होगा. सी, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट एंड एंड टू राइट. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉर दिस you have to select the text and see this is center alignment. Center alignment means text center से ही लिखना स्टार्ट होगा और सेंटर पे ही एंड होगा. क्लिक ऑन दैट, you can see the changes. सेंटर से लिखना स्टार्ट होगा और सेंटर पे ही एंड होगा. For next, select the text again. Then right alignment. Align text right. It means राइट साइड से टेक्स्ट लिखना स्टार्ट होगा और लेफ्ट साइड पे एंड होगा. इट्स अपोजिट टू द लेफ्ट टेक्स्ट अलाइनमेंट. Select on that. You can see it start from right side and end to the left side. Next one is in paragraph group only. In paragraph group also there is one more option. This is called line spacing. पैराग्राफ में जो लाइंस होती हैं उनके बीच कितना स्पेस होना चाहिए, ये भी हम पैराग्राफ में फॉर्मेटिंग सेट कर सकते हैं. फॉर दिस we have to select the text or select the paragraph, then click line spacing. There is a different options 1.0, 1.15, 1.5 line spacing which you want. Then select according to your need. Then okay, you can see the changes. Lines के बीच में जो spacing है वो बढ़ गई है. If you want to decrease, click decrease it, okay, according to your need. One more option is there, children. If you want to highlight any text in your books also, you can see कुछ text जो important होते हैं, कुछ lines जो important होती है उन्हें highlight किया जाता है. So how to highlight the text? See, for highlighting the text, first you have to select the text. For example, I want to highlight changing the look. Select the text which you want to highlight. Then there is a one option in font group, text highlighting color. Click on that. Select any one highlight color which you want. आपको वो कलर सेलेक्ट करना है जिस कलर से आप टेक्स्ट को हाईलाइट करना चाहते हो. क्लिक ऑन दैट. यू कैन सी योर टेक्स्ट विल बी हाईलाइटेड. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज हाउ टू चेंज द टेक्स्ट कलर. यू कैन सी ये चिल्ड्रन ऑल द टेक्स्ट कम इन ब्लैक कलर. इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द टेक्स्ट कलर, so you can change the text color also. For this same step you have to follow. First you have to select the text which you want to format. Then in font group there is one option, font color. Click on that. There is a so many colors. You can select any one color according to your choice. Then click. You can see font color will be changed. And children, if you want to change the font style, so you can change the font style also. Click this one, font dialog box. There is a different font style. You can select any one which you want. There is an option for font size, font style, font color, underline, fonts effect, shadow, or so many effects. If you want, you can select and click OK button. You can see the changes. Okay? Children, next one is adding bullets and numbering. The bullets and numbering features in Word helps you create list. You can separate each item of the list by a bullet or a number. See children, for adding bullet and numbering, first you have to type some items like this and for give the bullet and numbering. यदि हमें इन वर्ड्स के आगे नंबर्स या कुछ सिंबल्स देना है, इसके लिए फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट ऑल द आइटम्स. हाउ टू सेलेक्ट? क्लिक एंड ड्रैग द माउस, देन क्लिक द होम टैब एंड क्लिक द बुलेट बटन in the paragraph group. See, this is a paragraph group. In paragraph group there is a one option, bullets, and this one is a numbering. Okay, first we will add bullets. Click on that. There are different type of bullets. You can see dot, circle, this one, this, so many. Okay, which you want, you can click on that. See, the item will be bulleted. Okay, if you want to erase this bullets, so how to do? First, you have to select the text. Again, click bullets, and there is a one option, none. Click on that. It will be removed. Okay. If you want to give the numbering, so select the text first, then click numbering. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, alphabets and Roman also. Which you want, you can select. It will be applied. Okay. To remove numbering, select the items, click on numbering and select none option. Next one is applying borders and shading. In a Word document, you can add borders and shading to enhance the appearance of the paragraph or the selected text. हम selected text में या किसी particular paragraph में borders देना चाहते हैं, तब हम border और shading option का use करते हैं. To give the border and shading, first we have to select the paragraph or text. Suppose we want to give the border to this paragraph. Select the paragraph, then click Home tab, then click the down arrow besides the border button. See, in the paragraph group, this one is a border and shading option. Click on that. The border and shading dialog box appears. You can see here, children, in settings sections there are different type of border styles form. Select any of the border style form of settings section. You can select this one, box, shadow, 3D, anyone which you want. Select this one, 3D, then select the line style from the style list box. This one is a style list box. There are different types of lines. You can select anyone. Click on that. Then next is color. Select the color for the border from the color drop down list. You can see this one is color drop down list. Select the color. Select the border color which you want. And next one is width. Select the width, then apply to. Select text or paragraph, then click OK button. You can see border. To remove it, select the paragraph, open border and shading dialog box and select none option from the settings and click OK button. Next one is changing text case. The change case feature in Word lets you change an existing block of text in the following ways. See, children, to change case, first you have to select the text. Then in font group there is one option, change case. For applying change case, first you have to select the text, then options will be displayed. So first we select this one paragraph, then select change case. See, children, first one is sentence case. Sentence case means it changes the first letter of the first word of a sentence to uppercase and the rest in the lower case. सेंटेंस केस में क्या होता है, पैराग्राफ का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल आता है, बाकी सारे लेटर्स स्मॉल होते हैं. ओके, टू अप्लाई select the text, then click sentence case. You can see the changes. The first letter is capital and rest of the letter small. Next one is select the second paragraph, then again select change case. Next one is lower case. You can see this paragraph, all the letters are in capital letters. If we select the lower case, so all the letters will change to lowercase. Click on that. You can see all the letters change in lowercase. Third one, select the paragraph, then click change case. Third one is uppercase. Uppercase means capital letters. You can see all the letters are in lowercase. If we select uppercase, so it will change in capital letters. Click on that. You can see all the letters change in capital. Next, select the paragraph, then click change case, then capitalize each word. Capitalize each word means it changes the first letter of each word to uppercase and the rest in lower case. पैराग्राफ के एक एक वर्ड का पहला लेटर कैपिटल होगा, बाकी स्मॉल होंगे. क्लिक ऑन दैट. यू कैन सी द चेंजेस. फर्स्ट लेटर इज कैपिटल ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज टॉगल केस. Select the text first, then click change case. Toggle case means it changes the uppercase to lowercase and the lowercase to uppercase. Toggle case में क्या होता है, अगर लेटर कैपिटल में लिखे हुए हैं वो स्मॉल में चेंज हो जाएंगे, अगर स्मॉल में लिखे हुए हैं तो कैपिटल में चेंज होंगे. अभी लेटर्स स्मॉल हैं. If we select the toggle case, it will change in capital. In this way, you can use the change case in your paragraph according to your need. Okay, children. Now we will meet in the next video. Till then, whatever we have learned in this video, do the practice again and again in your home. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.